Hey champs! Today we are going to unravel the fascinating story behind one of the most famous words in the world. The word is okay. It's a word we all have probably used countless times. But have you ever wondered where it came from? So get ready for a fun-filled adventure into its past. Our journey begins in 1830s, a time when people loved to play with words and used funny abbreviations. Newspapers were filled with silly misspellings like KG for no-go or OW for alright. One day, someone thought it would be hilarious to write all correct instead of all correct. And so, OK was born. Fast forward to 1840 US presidential elections. A man named Martin Van Buren, who was from a place called Kinderhook in New York, wanted to become the US president. People who liked him called him Old Kinderhook because of his hometown. To show their support for Van Buren, his fans created a club called OK Club. They cleverly used the letters OK to represent both Old Kinderhook and All Correct, which, as we have learnt, meant all correct. As more and more people joined the OK Club, the word OK started spreading like wildfire. Soon it was on everyone's lips and they used it to mean all right, approved or agreed. And guess what? Martin Van Buren won elections and became the 8th president of the United States. Today, OK is used all around the world in many different languages. It's a quick and easy way to say everything is fine or is agreed with. And that, my friends, is the curious tale of how OK came to be. So next time you use this little word, remember its playful origins and the amazing journey it has taken through history. So thanks for joining us on this exciting adventure. If you enjoyed the story of OK, don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. Until next time, everything is OK.